According to the Knott's 2022 Jewelry and Engagement Study Report, the average cost of an engagement ring nationwide has reached $5,800. Purchasing an engagement ring is a substantial investment, and financing that investment may be an attractive option. Hi, I'm Conor Redmond, co-founder and chief actuary at BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance. Today we are taking an in-depth look at how to finance an engagement ring. Financing an engagement ring with a credit card is a common option, but it's crucial to consider the associated interest rates. Aim for a card with zero interest promotional period to avoid accruing interest during the time. If not, opt for a card with low APR and a robust rewards program. To qualify for a low or zero interest credit card, a good credit score is essential. If your credit isn't ideal, consider improving it before financing your ring. Remember to research different card issuers to find the best fit for your financial situation and needs. By carefully considering these factors, you can make an informed decision about financing your engagement ring. Personal loans typically come with fixed interest rates. They can be repaid over a predetermined period, usually 1 to 5 years. This allows the individual to make affordable fixed monthly payments until the ring is fully paid off. It's important to carefully consider the interest rate and terms of the loan to ensure it aligns with your budget and financial situation. Unsecured loans are the most popular type of personal loan when financing an engagement ring. An unsecured personal loan is the type of loan that does not require collateral, such as a car or a house. It's solely based on your creditworthiness, income, and ability to repay the loan. Many retailers offer financing options to their customers, allowing them to purchase an engagement ring and pay it off in installments. These financing plans may come with promotional offers such as interest-free financing or deferred interest for a certain period. Before financing an engagement ring through jewelry store credit cards or jewelry store loan, it's crucial to conduct a thorough research and familiarize yourself with the following aspects, like promotional deals. Take time to understand any store credit promotional offers available. These may include low interest rates for a specific period. The interest rate. Once the promotional period expires, the regular interest rate may apply. Assess whether you can afford the monthly payments based on the regular APR. If you cannot pay off the ring within the promotional period. Hidden fees. Carefully examine the fine print regarding any additional costs or fees associated with financing options. By being aware of such potential charges, you can make an informed decision and avoid unpleasant surprises. These services allow you to make your purchase in manageable installments instead of paying the full amount upfront. You'll be able to acquire engagement rings on finance and make partial payments while the remaining balance is paid off over a predetermined period. Buy now, pay later services are relatively new, but they serve as a viable and secure alternative for individuals who don't have the credit score needed to finance the engagement ring purchase otherwise. When applying for this form of financing, the lender may conduct a soft credit check. However, the great thing is that you don't necessarily need a flawless credit score to qualify for a buy now, pay later plan when financing an engagement ring. Nevertheless, always make the plan's monthly minimum payments. Failing to do so may harm your credit score. If you prefer not to pursue traditional engagement ring financing methods, there are alternatives worth considering. Borrow from friends or family. Reach out to close friends or family members who may be willing to lend you the necessary funds. This can be a more personal and flexible approach to financing an engagement ring purchase. Access your savings account. Evaluate the possibility of withdrawing a portion of your retirement savings to cover the cost of the engagement ring. Adjust your monthly expenses. Reevaluate your spending habits and identify areas where you can reduce expenses. By making conscious choices to scale back on non-essential purchases, you can redirect those funds towards saving for an engagement ring. Can you finance an engagement ring with bad credit? Normally, you do need a good credit score to finance an engagement ring. However, there are some alternative options for purchasing an engagement ring if you have bad credit. Save up and pay cash. The best approach, even with bad or no credit, is to save money until you can afford to buy the ring outright. Should you finance an engagement ring otherwise? While lenders may entice you with financing options for bad credit, these often come with exorbitant interest rates that can burden you long into your marriage. It's wiser to make sacrifices such as cutting back on non-essential expenses or consider it a side job, or to save up the necessary funds. Lower your budget. Realistically assess your budget if you have bad credit and limit upfront cash. You may need to adjust your expectations and consider more affordable rain options. By shopping wisely and choosing reputable vendors, you can find a beautiful and meaningful rain without breaking the bank. Financing an engagement ring is a significant decision. Before making a choice, assess your situation, research options like store financing, personal loans, credit cards, or buy now, pay later services. Compare interest rates, repayment terms, and fees to find the best fit. If needed, consult a financial advisor or jeweler for personalized advice. This option accommodates those who prefer to manage the cost of an engagement ring over time, making the purchase more accessible and aligned with their financial circumstances. Financing options are commonly available at jewelry stores and online retailers, allowing individuals to purchase an engagement ring while making manageable monthly payments over a set period of time. Not everybody has the ability or preference to make a single lump sum payment for an engagement ring. For individuals planning to propose, financing a ring can be a favorable alternative. Just because you can finance an engagement ring doesn't necessarily mean that it's the best option for everyone. It's important to consider your overall financial situation and goals before deciding to finance. Don't let financial stress dim your love story. Protect your engagement ring with BriteCo's affordable jewelry insurance. Get your quick quote today.